here was I distributed the 4. So I got 4 times 6 equals 24. And 4 times negative 11 gives me negative 44. I added 44 to both sides. You checking your work there, Keaton?
Oh, I got it right. I already looked.
Okay. Then I get 72 is greater than or equal to 24x. Divide by 24. So this is where I get the 3 is greater than or equal to x, which I rewrote as x is less than or equal to 3. Because that way then I know that I'm going to go to the left. I'm going to fill it in and go to the left because now I have x on the left side of the inequality. Number 4. I distribute 6 to both, so I get 30x plus 54 equals 21x. You guys know I like to rearrange and keep things positive, but sometimes you can't do that. So I had to subtract 30 from both sides. I know a couple people did it differently, and that's fine, but I had to subtract 30 from both sides. So now I have 54 is greater than negative 9x. I'm going to divide by that negative. 54 divided by negative 9 is negative 6. Then I had to flip my sign. And then I had to rewrite it because I don't like to have the variable on the right side. So I rewrote it. X is greater than negative 6 because I paid attention to where the point was. So I have an open circle on negative 6. This arrow here tells me I'm going to go to the right. And that only works because I made the variable on the left. Joshua.
Why did you flip the sign?
Because I divided by a negative here. Right? So if you look up on the board what we did at the beginning, if you divide by a negative, you have to flip the sign. How are we doing so far? Decent? All right, number 5. Let me get my computer out of the way here. I didn't have any distributing to do, so I subtracted 7x from both sides. I have 8x plus 35 is greater than or equal to negative 21. Subtract the 35. Remember, this is now negative 21 minus 35. And please, for the love of all, use your calculators. If you get to use calculators, don't assume. If you know you're not great at integers, use your calculator. So I get negative 21 minus 35 is negative 56. I'm dividing by a positive number, so I don't have to flip my sign. So I just get x is greater than or equal to negative 7. X is already on the left side, which is super helpful. So I put a closed circle, and I do my arrow to the right. Okay, we're going to stop there. And now we're going to go on to more equation practice.